Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to select and edit a fillable text field in a fillable PDF form using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is a fillable PDF form and this fillable PDF text box. I'll edit this. Here you can only type text, you cannot edit this one. Now select this from option, this menu bar, and here you will find this select field option. Now click in the text box and select it. Also you can select all of them, drag your mouse cursor and you can select multiple text boxes, or press Ctrl can select another one. In this way you can select multiple one. Okay, now click right button and select properties. Here you can change a text field name and appearance option. Here you can change alignment and so on. If you want you can delete and distribute. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.